Welcome to LSV Weekly, your curated guide to inspired living in the GTA. From hot homes to home-cooked comfort, we bring the stories that shape your space and your style. Powered by lifestylevideos.com. This week's Top 10 Neighborhood Spotlight takes us to the vibrant heart of Vaughan, Maple. Known for its seamless blend of suburban calm and modern convenience, this neighborhood is making waves.
Maple's proximity to the Vaughan Metropolitan Center offers residents unbeatable connectivity. Whether you're commuting to downtown Toronto or accessing local hotspots, this transit hub keeps you effortlessly connected to the GTA. For families, Maple delivers on all fronts. The neighborhood features excellent schools, community centers, and family-friendly amenities. Mackenzie Glen Park is a local favorite, with trails, sports facilities, and open spaces for picnics or playtime. One of Maple's standout features is its close access to Canada's Wonderland, one of the country's premier attractions. Whether you're a roller coaster enthusiast or enjoy summer festivals, it's all in your backyard.
Think green space, top schools, and all the perks of urban access. Want the full countdown? It's streaming now only at lifestylevideos.com. This week in Tastes of Home, we're cooking light and bright. A healthy Asian noodle soup that's bursting with flavor and none of the guilt.
All right, now it's time to add some of our greenery. So we're gonna add in our green onions, a little cilantro. We're just gonna add all this at the end. We don't want it to cook too much, but we just want to add some flavor and some texture with the crunch from some bok choy. Some awesome oyster mushrooms. And some bean sprouts. Let's give it a good little stir.
It's all about balance, comfort, and that slurp-worthy finish. Full recipe, step-by-step, at lifestylevideos.com in the LSV Originals section. Trust us, your weeknight dinner just leveled up. And if cozy soups aren't enough to warm your weekend, we're serving up elegance, English style. Welcome to At Home with Style. From curated table settings to delicate bites, we'll show you how to host a tea party with flair, even if you're starting with mismatched cups and a Pinterest board.
There are some elements that are necessary with an afternoon tea, so you want to have savories. In this case, we've got some light open-faced sandwiches with a smoked turkey and salsa made from curry, celery, and apple. And then some cucumber with cream cheese, but you could easily make little cucumber and cream cheese sandwiches if you wanted. Another important element of afternoon tea is the scone, or scone, some people call it. It's a traditional Scottish recipe, and it's made with butter and flour and sugar, and you always put some sort of cream on it, either a clotted cream or a whipped cream, or in this case, we would put a coconut cream.
The full party prep is ready for streaming under LSV Originals, exclusively at lifestylevideos.com. Next up, are you saving for your first home in 2025? You're not alone, and you don't have to do it blind. In this week's Real Estate Rewired, we uncover the grants, programs, and little-known strategies that can actually make your dream affordable. Here's a look.
This episode is for the hustlers, the dreamers, the spreadsheet warriors. We're talking hacks, grants, and programs that most people don't even know exist. First-time home buyer incentive. Free money, but with fine print. RRSP, Home Buyers Plan. Borrow from yourself, pay yourself back. FHSA, the newest player on the field. Stack them, time them, maximize them. We break down how to turn every advantage into real down payment dollars.
That's your LSV Weekly, a taste of life, style, and smarter living across the GTA. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and head to lifestylevideos.com for full features, weekly top 10s, and more real-life inspiration. See you next time.